So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate professional bios in seconds for your social media handles. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, and here you have to search for a bio generator. Just simply open this first website where it says free AI social media bio generator. Let's wait for the site to respond, and you can do the same process on the smartphones as well. Now here you have to scroll down, and you can see this option which says generate bio for profile. You can give a random details about your profile and hit this generate bio option, and it will gonna create a very interesting, a very appealing bio for your social media handles. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.